NCI's multiple assessment feature enhancement enables you to administer differentiated tests to students who are on a differentiated learning path. You can do this by simply creating two versions of the test for the lesson. Be sure to give each test an appropriate label to help you tell them apart. Assign the non-differentiated version to one set of students. Now you're ready to assign the differentiated version to your differentiated learners. Once both sets of students have completed their tests and you have graded them, their test scores will show up under their respective assessment names on your grades section in the purple left navigation bar. Looking at the grades table, you'll be able to tell at a glance if an assessment has been assigned to a student or not. The grayed out cells mean that particular assessment has not been assigned to a student. If it's ready for grading, you'll see the usual view/grade label. If a student has not taken it yet, a simple dash would show in the table. If student work has been graded, their score will show. And then here's a view of the grade section of the student who took a differentiated assessment.